Hello.
Hello.
My name is Marina.
And my name is Maxim.
And today is our first lesson.
Yeah, my first
So
lesson.
let's start. Maxim. So look at the keyboard. This set of white and black notes, keys, is called keyboard. And this is a short keyboard. There is a long one, the full-size piano. The keyboard consists of white and black keys.
Okay.
And the whole keyboard is divided into sections. If you look carefully at these groups of black notes, black keys, you can see we have group of 2 black keys, group of 3 black keys, group of 2 black keys, group of 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2, 3, 2.
So every time 2, 3, 2, 3.
Yes.
Like
So this is the pattern. We have a group of 2 and 3, which is 5. Then 2 and 3, which is 5. 2 and 3, which is 5. 2 and 3, which is 5. So this is the pattern. Now we need to find note C. The note C is a very important note because it's a central note. How to find note C? You need to find a group of 2 black keys and you go just a little step down to the left, and that's how you find C. And wherever you find a group of 2 black keys, you just do a little step to the left, and here's the C. Group of 2 black keys, little step to the left, and here is C. So please find me all C's on your keyboard.
this,
Group of 2 black keys.
this,
Yes. Group of 2 black keys. Yes.
this.
Bravo.
Yes.
Very good. As I said, the whole keyboard is divided into equal sections. And the note C is the beginning and the end of each section. So if you find these 2 C's, C here and C here, it's an octave. If we go to the right, we find another octave. And from here, if we go to the left, we see another octave. And here's another octave. The whole keyboard is divided into octaves. Please find me all octaves on your keyboard.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.5. It's 4.5 octaves on your keyboard. This is a short keyboard, but the long keyboard has 7 octaves. This the octave in the middle is called middle octave, and it has also a number. So let's first divide the whole keyboard into octaves, into sections. Section is called octave. So we put this C. Where's another C? So we draw a line on this C. Where's the next C? Yes. So we draw a line here. The next C. Where's another C? Yes.
There's more 2 C's.
Yes.
There we go.
So now we divided our keyboard into octaves from C to C. And on your keyboard it's 4.5. The full-size piano, as I said, has 7 octaves. Imagine that down there is 1 more octave. You cannot see it, but imagine that it's there. So this octave is octave 1. Next octave that you already have on your keyboard is octave 2. Sorry. So after octave 2, we move to the right. We have the next octave, it's octave 3. Now we have the octave right in the middle. So when you sit properly, you should sit in the middle of the keyboard. So in front of your tummy, the octave in front of you is the middle octave. It's it's middle octave, and it's octave 4 because after octave 3 we have octave 4. And the note C of the octave 4 we also call middle C. So this is the middle octave and this is middle C. The middle C should be right in front of your tummy when you sit at the keyboard. After octave 4 is octave 5. And I have half of octave 6. And imagine right there, we're supposed to have one more octave, which is octave 7, but it's not here, okay? So your keyboard ends up with half of octave 6, okay? So here is your keyboard, but remember this is a short keyboard. We found all C's, C, C, find another C and draw a name of the note. And let's see, yes. So let's now learn the names of the notes inside octave, because we have now count how many notes we have inside one octave.
7.
7. 1, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7.
And also 5 black keys.
Play the scale from C to C. And can you hear the sound? Can you hear that the pitch of the sound is going higher or lower? Yes, it's going higher. So when you go to the right, the pitch is going higher or lower? Higher. Higher. The pitch is going higher. And when you go to the left, so play the notes down there. So, can you hear the sound? The pitch is going down.
Yeah.
Pitch is going lower. So when you go to the right, pitch is going up, 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 up. And when you go to the left, the pitch is going down, 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 down. So that is why we don't say go to the left or go to the right. We say go up and go down. So in music, we speak like this. We don't say right or left. We say up and down. But we mean that up is to the right and down is to the left. Because when you go right, the pitch is going up. And when you go down, the pitch is going down. So we say go up and go down. So let's look at one of the octaves and let's name the notes inside one octave. So the octave starts, as we know, the octave starts from note
C.
C. The next note is called D. Next note after D is note E. After E, we have note F. After F, note G. After G, it's not H. It's A.
Oh.
And after A, B. And that's the end of the octave. It's the end of octave 4. And after B, the new octave starts. Here, the octave 5 starts. After B4, after B, the new octave starts. The new octave starts again from note
C.
C. So, name the rest of the notes in octave 5.
D, E, F, J,
G.
and G.
G. No, you wrote G, but you said J.
J.
G. Not J. G.
G. And then again.
After
A.
G, A,
And then B.
B.
And again
Yes.
C.
So when we reach B, we reach the end of
Octave
the
5.
octave 5. So after B, what we have? What starts after B? A new octave.
C.
Octave 6. Octave 6. Here are the names of the notes. And of course, in other octaves, the names of the notes are the same, they're repeating. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, end of the octave. Again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, end of the octave. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, end of the octave. C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Do you want to know why the octave starts from C, not from A? We have A, but it's not beginning of the octave. It is somewhere...
Yes, I want to know it.
Okay. If you think about the full-size piano, remember I told you there is a full-size piano which has 7 octaves. And that full-size piano starts from A.
A.
It does not start from C, it does not start from the beginning of the octave. So imagine this octave 1, which is supposed to be here. So imagine this is octave 1, but this is not the beginning of the keyboard. Before note C, we have 2 more keys. We have key B and key A. We are supposed to have it. It's not here, but if you will imagine the full-size piano, in a full-size piano there's octave 1. But it's not how the keyboard starts. The keyboard does not start from octave, from the first note of the octave. The keyboard starts from note A. So there are 2, before C, we have 2 more keys, which are A, B, and then C. And that's where octave 1 starts. You understand?
Yeah. So the real piano is actually this?
Piano is like this broken one. It's supposed to be repaired soon. Inshallah, I will fix it and we will play it. But for now, we have just this. So now, would you please name all the notes right from the beginning? From octave 2 is the beginning of your keyboard, this keyboard. So name yourself all notes, all white notes, starting from the octave 2.
C, D, F, G, A, B, C.
C. So B, octave 2 finished and octave 3 started. Then go up. Go
C,
up means go to the right.
D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Continue.
Then octave 3 finished and we are starting octave
4.
4, which is middle octave.
Okay. C, D, E,
Here written there.
F, G, A, B, C.
And your voice is going higher because the pitch is going up. As you move up, as you move to the left, means you moved up, your voice is going higher and the sound is going higher, so it's higher pitch. So what you just done, you were doing stepping. You were doing stepping. Stepping up. This is stepping down. So now we will try to play something. And we are going to play a scale. Our first scale is called C major scale. As you can understand from the name of the scale, it's C major scale, means you start playing it from C to C. This is a scale. C major scale is actually an octave.
Octave?
Yes. Start C major scale from the first step. First step is called tonic. So we start from tonic. In C major scale, tonic is C. And we play step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, and here's a step 8. But wait a minute, step 8 is step 1. Step 1, it's the first step of the next octave. So now we are going to play it with our right hand. When we play piano, we actually play both hands. Playing piano is playing with both hands, left and right. And we use all our fingers. So let's name the fingers first. Fingers have numbers. Thumb is finger 1. This finger is finger 2. Finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. Thumb is 1. Pinky is 5. Okay? And on your left hand, same. Thumb is 1. We start counting from here. Thumb is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Ring finger is 4. Pinky finger is 5. So here are fingers. So tell me, show me finger 1.
This one.
Yes. Finger 3. Yes. Finger 5. Yes. Finger 4. Finger 2. Yes. So now we are going to play C major scale, and we'll play with each finger separately. Okay, so first we'll play with finger 1. This is finger 1. We need to sit straight, shoulders down, don't bend your back. Okay, when you play, the position of your hand should be as you are holding a tennis ball or an apple. So no straight fingers, and our wrist, this is wrist, it should be straight. So you never put your wrist down like that, it's incorrect. And don't put it too high. So most of the times it should be straight. As much as you can keep it straight, it should be straight. So now we play with finger 1. We play stepping. So first step of the scale, second, third. Sit straight. Like this. Fingers round. Very good. Now you play down. Wrist straight. Wrist should be straight. Now you play down. Down means where? To the left.
There.
Yes.
But
now
so
we
with
play
which
down.
finger?
You'll play again with finger 1.
Okay.
Fingers round. Wrist, don't put your wrist like this. Okay. Now we are going to play with finger 2. Where's finger 2? We will play and we will sing solfège. So we are not going to sing the actual names of the notes like C, D, E, F, G. We will be singing solfège. For solfège, we have names Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Then Do,
Do,
Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So these are solfège names of the notes, not A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But when we sing, when we actually sing the notes, we sing the sounds, we don't say C, D, E, we sing solfège notes. So when you play, sing as you play, and you play with finger 2, only with finger 2. Sing and play and sing. No, 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 we are not holding like this. You keep proper position of your hand. Look at me, like this. So don't point your finger like that and don't bend down the rest of your fingers. No, all your fingers supposed to be over the keyboard. When you sing, try to sing the exact sound of what you're playing, okay? Make it clear, all right?
Okay.
So, do, yes, do.
Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do.
Now, we will be playing next finger. What's the next finger? After 2, finger 3. So when you play, don't bend your fingers down, okay? Keep all your fingers over the keyboard. Don't put them somewhere. So keep your fingers like this. Keep the right position. Fingers are slightly rounded, okay? And you use only your finger 3. And you play. And try to play the clear sound with your voice. Okay?
Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do.
And you play back.
Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do.
Now we play with finger 4. Do,
Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti,
This is not a correct position of the hand. The hand always should be like this at all times. Alright?
Do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, re, do.
Now we will play the same scale. What is it called? Tell me again. The scale from C to C.
C major.
C major scale. From C to C is a C major scale. Now we are going to play C major scale and one octave down. So what is that one octave down? We've played just now an octave 4. And what is the one octave down?
Octave 3?
Yeah, octave 3 is one octave below the 4. So now, again, we'll play with each finger.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
As you play up, you also sing up and you make your voice higher. And when you play down, you also make your voice lower.
Do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, re, do.
Okay, now we finished playing with each finger separately. Are your fingers tired?
Yeah.
Make a quick exercise like this, okay? So now we are going to play again scale, C major scale, but we are going to use now all fingers. When we will be playing the C major scale, we'll be using every finger. So we start playing with finger 1, then we play next finger 2, then we use next finger 3, and now pay attention. After finger 3, we put this finger, finger 1, thumb finger. So put your finger 3 on E. So when you reach E with your finger 3, you put this finger 1, your thumb 1, you put it underneath finger 3 and you put it right on F.
And
then you play with every finger, you play the relative key until you finish the scale.
How about...
Okay,
Come on.
now you try it yourself without my help. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, then you put finger 1, correct?
6,
7, 8. No, you did very well. That was good.
Thank
Okay, so do one more time. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. And now you go down the scale.
But how I can do this?
Very easy. You start from C with your finger 5. Then you use every finger. Don't skip any finger. You get me? Don't skip any finger. Play with every finger the relative key. So C you play with 5, B you play with 4, A you play with 3, G you play with 2, F you play with 1, and then you take this finger 3 and put it over your thumb right on E. Yes? Then use every finger to finish the scales. Again from here, finger 5, use every finger. Finger 3, finger 2, 1, now finger 3. Very good. Now let's play the same scale in octave. What is this octave?
Octave 3.
Octave 3. Let's play the same scale on octave 3. And we're using this finger. So we start from C with our finger 5. Finger 5. Then we play with every finger. We are not skipping fingers. We play every finger to the relative key. Finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When we reach G with our finger 1, what we do next? We take this finger 3 and put it right on A. No, not like that. Your thumb is on G and you slightly put this finger 3 over your thumb and put it on A and then finish the scale. Yes. So do it yourself. Straight, fingers round, fingers round. So finger 5, finger 4, finger 3, finger 2, finger 1, finger 3, very good. Finger 2, finger 1. And now go down. Finger 1. So you start, when you go down, you start from C of the middle octave with your thumb, your finger 1. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. Now you put the thumb underneath on G. And finish the scale. Just play with every finger. Yes, very good. Now play again independently without my help, all right? Very good. And now go down. Fingers round. Finger 1. Yes. Very good, Maxim. And now let's try to play with both hands. Let's try. So you start finger 1 on finger 5 here. Let's do solfege, okay? Let's do solfege. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, ti, la, sol, fa. Finger 3, finger 3. Very good. So this is a C major scale, and now you learn how to play it. Very good. And play the chord at the end. C major chord. Bravo. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for teaching me.